educators. Welcome to EduGyaan. In this video, we will see how to create Facebook page for Coaching Institute. Facebook gives you the opportunity to showcase your course details to large audience. So, without delaying, let's get started. Open the website of Facebook. Now, click on the Create a Page option. A new window will appear. You can use your existing Facebook account to create the page or click on Sign Up option if you want to create a new account. Since I already have Facebook account, so I'm using the same. If you don't have the account, then you can create it easily by clicking on the Sign Up button and sharing basic details. A new page will appear. Now, you need to enter some basic details like page name, page category, and bio for your institute page. Let me show you by entering the details. Inside page name, enter your institute name. Inside the page category column, enter education and select education website from the suggestions. Under the bio column, you can enter the tagline of your institute. This is not mandatory. You can leave it blank if you don't want. But we would suggest adding bio for your page to draw audience's attention. Let me enter a sample bio for this page. You can add as per your requirements, but remember to keep it short and crisp. Once you are done with the details, click on Create Page option to complete the process. After clicking on the Create Page option, your institute Facebook page is ready to use. You can add other details like the website of institute, contact number, email address, your institute location, etc. Let me add the details. Enter the phone number along with the country code. Enter the email address of your institute. Under location section, enter the location of the institute with the city name and postal code. Now, select the working hour of your institute by clicking on the selected hours option available under the hours section. Once you selected the working hours for all the days of the week, click on Save option to save the details. Click on Next to continue. Now, you can customize your institute page by adding profile picture and banner image. If you are looking for free tools to create banner images, you can use Canva. We have already shared tutorial videos to use Canva on this YouTube channel. You can find the link for the video in the description or by clicking on the I button. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel for more informative videos. See you soon in our next video. Till then, bye and happy teaching.